Hello, my name is Yadira, and this week we study the international political economy, classical theories. Question 1. What is IP and why is it important? International political economy is a multidisciplinary area since it incorporates contributions from economics, politics, sociology, history, geography, business, among others. It is important because study the interaction in the international context between politics and economics, between states and markets, the problems of wealth and poverty, and who gets what in the international system. Also answer questions such as why do governments adopt the economic policies they adopt? Why do states manage to cooperate economically in some cases but not in others? Or why do governments promote or oppose to globalization in different circumstances? Question 2. Give the core arguments made by the three main theories of international political economy: mercantilism, economic liberalism, and Marxism. Which theory, if any, is the best one, and why? I compare four aspects. 1. Relationship between economics and politics. In the mercantilism, the politics is decisive. In the economic liberalism, the economics is autonomous. In the Marxism, the economics is decisive. 2. Main actors: mercantilism, states; economic liberalism, individuals; and Marxism, classes. 3. The nature of economic relation: mercantilism, conflictual zero-sum game; economic liberalism, cooperative, positive sum game; and Marxism, conflictual zero-sum game. 4. Economic goals: mercantilism, state power; economic liberalism, maximum individual and social well-being; Marxism, class interests. I think that the best theory is not just one of these three but a combination that keeps political and economy in balance, where the main actors are the state and individuals. Economic exchange allows everyone to win and good social and individual benefits are achieved. Question 3. Politics is in control of economics, say mercantilists. Economics is the basis for everything else, including politics, say Marxists. How should we solve this dispute? I think that between politics and economics, there can be no one more important than the other because they complement each other and are used and important in the life of every state. In no say should one be more important than the other, since the objective will be prioritized, leaving aside the other, and this can lead a state to decay. Question 4. Economic liberals argue that economic exchange is a positive sum game. In the Marxist approach, the economy is a site of exploitation and inequality. Who is correct? I agree with liberalist thinking, where economic exchange is a positive sum game, since all states can win, where does not have to be a loser. As stated above, it has economic objectives, maximum individual and social well-being. In addition, the market economy will operate spontaneously according to its own mechanism or laws. Question 5. Do security interests always have priority over economic matters? Has mercantilist claimed. I believe that security interests are not always a priority, because if priority is given and economic issues are set aside, they can also become a security problem. A good economy can help keep security interests satisfied or covered. 6. Compare Waltz and Weierstrass. Who has the better theory? The two theories have similarities, but I think that the best is Waltz, because it only establishes competition in the premise that makes it possible for states to survive, acting according to their own interests. However, cooperation seems to be a fact in the system since states seem to cooperate with each other. The cooperation is a decision made based on relative gains with respect to the others. Instead, Wellstrein states that in the system of capitalist exploitation, the rich social elites appropriate the surplus value created by the labor of the working class, and in the world system, there is a class-like division between groups of countries.